Let's DIY your favorite cola recipe, but better. Made with herbal ingredients, this recipe is a total keeper. You'll need cola nut powder, ground cinnamon, whole cloves, star anise, raw honey, vanilla extract, apple cider vinegar, water, and sparkling water. Place half a tablespoon of dried cola nut powder, half a teaspoon ground cinnamon, 2 whole cloves, 1 star anise, and 1 cup of water into a small saucepan. Bring to a boil over low heat and let simmer for 10 minutes. Remove from heat and strain into a glass jar, removing all the particles. Let cool to room temperature and then stir in 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon raw honey or maple syrup, and half a teaspoon vanilla extract. This is your homemade herbal cola syrup. To make a cup of homemade herbal cola, add 2 to 4 tablespoons of cola syrup to a glass and fill the rest of the way with sparkling water. If desired, serve with a lemon or lime wedge and enjoy. If you have leftover cola syrup, be sure to store it in a glass jar in the refrigerator away from heat.